Hi guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to add references in Word. It's very simple and quite easy. So let's get started. First, set your cursor to that point where you want to add a reference in the document, like I want to add a reference here. Next on the top, go to References. And here you find the option Insert Citation. Click on it. And select the first option, Add New Source. Next, write the name of the author here. Write title, journal name, year, and add pages. Then click on OK. And that's it. Our reference is added successfully. You can also change its style, like I am selecting IEE here. Next, click on the blank page, and on the top here, click on Bibliography, and then click on the second option, References. If you have the old version of Microsoft Office, then you have only the option Bibliography here, so you can also select Bibliography here. Now all the references that you added to your document appear here. If you add any new reference in the document, and it will not appear here, so you just click on Update Citation and Bibliography here, and all the newly added references to your document will appear. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.